hello to all of our buyers out there. I'm Chris Lonergan. I've met a good portion of you, I think, at some of our events before. Just want to take this opportunity to update you on kind of where we're at with the Arbory. Progress has continued. We've been excited. We've been working on this project for over 2 years, so it's actually kind of a really exciting time to kind of see the finishes start to come together and really that final product take shape. The townhome units have finishes that are about, I'd say, probably 60–75% complete. Just starting finishes in the second floor units, so those are now all drywalled. And we're drywall on the third floor, I think all but 3 units there. And fourth floor starts drywall next week. And then that fifth floor kind of the week after Thanksgiving. So really excited on that. They finished all the siding on the courtyard section, so we're going to start doing some waterproofing on that courtyard and then the topping slab there, so that'll get to be more complete. Really excited about wrapping up that exterior of the building and kind of getting some of the alley concrete work done and some of the sidewalks and so forth. A lot of activity outside and a lot of activity on the inside of the building. But the gas meter is finally installed, and we finally actually passed our meter inspection now that that material arrived. So to be able to build the building with kind of our permanent powers definitely will be a win for the construction team. So parking system's 100%, just waiting on the final meters basically and power there, so that's a good piece. They're actually doing a punch walk on the elevator today. Again, we're just waiting on the permanent power, and then they actually come in and do a whole testing where they put weights in the elevator and they actually test the whole system. It's kind of an interesting process, but yeah, so they're doing that punch walk in, but the elevator is essentially installed now, and we'll just wait on that last little piece. So we're at 60% sold. So we had an investment group kind of come together to buy the 4 ground floor mezzanine units. So we're pretty excited about that. But we're pretty excited. So right now we're still pushing for trying to make sure that those first closings kind of can happen at the end of January. I think it's a safe bet that some of them will probably push into February. So kind of depending on buyer situation and where everyone's at, we can kind of put a plan together here. Really should be able to do that. We'll be more confident in that middle of December to be able to really kind of say, hey, here's when a date we really feel good about it. So a lot of the big pieces that are critical elements are really coming together. Big challenges in Denver specifically as we get through final inspections. The fire department is always is a big animal here in Denver. It takes on average about 4 to 6 weeks to get through a fire inspection on the building, and that's just has a lot to do with a lot of different things, but really that's just their process. It's just funny, when we build in Boulder, we get to our fire inspection in 2 days, but here in Denver it just takes a little bit longer. So that'll be a big piece towards the end of the project, and we'll be able to update people on kind of where that really sequences. We're excited to see these finishes come together. It's a critical point of the project for us, and so our team is working around the clock on it. The sales team is open and here for you to answer any questions, and I know that they are excited to get you through into the project as soon as they can kind of tour you through some finished units.